I started recording, so you please be careful. Okay, good morning to all. Hope all are keeping good health. What happened, Ansh, on your face?
Celebrate Holi, ma'am.
What happened?
I celebrate Holi, ma'am.
Okay. Now listen. Now let's see what we are going to write, okay? All these things you have to learn it without any spelling mistake. Let's see what is it.
Ma'am,
Yes?
you have to write in worksheet. You have to write in classwork.
Ma'am, please, ma'am. Yeah. Ma'am, excuse me, let them do everything in the classwork note, okay, ma'am?
Okay,
Because
ma'am.
otherwise it will go for a waste. Everything. Only the assignment they have to do in the test note. All other things they can use their classwork. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Now listen, some children must have done this. Don't worry about it. We'll be doing it again because many won't be able to do it. Okay. Now you just write English worksheet 6 and this is very, very important. Okay, now just write English worksheet 6. And this is on the first line. Children, you can do it in your classwork, not a new page. Those who have done in the worksheet, you can check or you can write it again because when you write more, you will learn more. Don't disturb others. English worksheet 6. Write the words by adding FUL. Please write second question also, second sentence, one by one. First you write English worksheet 6. Next line, write the words by adding FUL. Children, your handwriting is very, very important. This time, who's this now? And Ansh, listen carefully. Ansh, don't talk when you join the class. Please write. I want everybody to write because I want to see the handwriting. Why are you not writing, Ansh? Write in your... No, you write in your classwork, not today's work, because I'll be asking for the handwriting. Yeah. Today's work, all must write. Any other day, no problem. Tridip, keep your legs down. Tridip, sit properly. Good boy. Now listen, everybody must write because I want to see the classwork. 10 marks will be given for classwork this term. So I will check. Neatly write the first English worksheet slowly. English worksheet. Second one, the sentence. No, who's this now? I told everybody to write in your classwork note. Only today's work. Because I want to check the handwriting. All other things you can have it in your worksheet, no problem. Today's work, all 3 subjects you have to write in your classwork note. So that I can give 10 marks. Yes, let's go back to the same thing. Now see here, write the words by adding FUL. FUL. Now, one example is given because I want you to follow that. One example is given. Hope you would have written, write the words by adding FUL. Next one. Next one. Yes. Write the words by adding FUL. If you have completed that, one example you just write on top. Help plus FUL, helpful. Then you write 1 to 10 numbers in the margin. 1 to 10 numbers in the margin. One to 10 numbers in the margin. Write neatly. Now, write 1 to 5. Questions? Yes. I think we can start now. First one, you must write pain plus FUL. Exactly like the top one. You fill in all the words. Pain plus FUL. Adonia. Adonia, where are you? Okay. Akshara, yes. Akshara. Yes. How are you, Akshara?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me what is pain plus FUL?
Painful, ma'am.
Yeah. You please write like help plus FUL. All the FUL must come in the same line. So please write, leaving little space, you write neatly. Parents, see that when the children finish their answers, turn off your mic. Don't be sitting and talking over there. Okay, Akshara, turn off your mic. Now, Niral, can you tell me the second one? Niral?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the second word, Niral?
Handful.
Hand plus full. Sanjay, can you show me the notebook where you have written all this? Neat work it should be. Show me closer. 1 to 5. Very good, Sanjay. And yes, all the FUL in the same line and equal. Where is Jane going now? Okay, good. Okay, next one. After Niral, Effie. What is the third one, Effie?
Ma'am, wonderful.
Wonder. I haven't gone to that. Let me see. Yeah. Wonder plus full. Wonderful. Hope all would have written that. Good, Effie. Fatima. Where are you, Fatima? Can you tell me the next one, Fatima? After wonder. After wonder.
Mouth.
Mouth. What will you write for mouth plus full?
Mouthful.
Very good. Mouthful. Mouthful. Next child is Joshika. Joshika. I don't know what happened to Joshika for a long time. She's not there in class. Joshika. Okay, Kanira. Fifth one, Kanira.
Okay, ma'am.
Fifth one.
Fear plus full is fearful.
Fearful. Fear plus full equals fearful. 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 Next one, Kylina.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me the next one, sixth one, Kylina. Calm.
Harmful.
Very good, children. I'm not sure whether all these are for the test, but you have to learn it for assignment.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, harmful. 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 Okay. Now, seventh one, spoon. Spoon. That will go for Misty. Can you tell me, Misty?
Yes, ma'am.
Spoon.
Spoonful, ma'am. Spoonful, ma'am.
Yes, spoonful. 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 Very good. Please start writing, children. Very good. Now, who's the next person I call Mishti? Finish. Mitra, are you there, Mitra? Then I'll go to the next class. Yes, Abhisha. Abhisha. Eighth one, Abhisha.
Hop plus full. Hopeful.
Eighth one, hopeful. Very good. Hopeful. I asked eighth one. Akshaya, tell me ninth one.
Thank you.
Ninth one. Akshaya. Akshaya, where are you? Akshaya, where are you? Not there. Okay. Akshita MP, ninth one. Akshita. Not there. Akshita also is not there. Okay. Aratrika, what happened? Some problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Aratrika, good morning, Aratrika. Can you tell me the next one, Aratrika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ninth one. Use plus.
Use plus full. Useful.
Very good, very good. Next one. Evelyn Zera.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Tenth one. Cheer. Cheer.
Cheer.
Cheerful. Okay.
Cheerful.
Who's this? Evelyn Zera. Let me see
Yes,
Evelyn.
ma'am. Yes,
1
ma'am.
minute. Evelyn, where are you, Evelyn? At least
I'm
now
here.
onwards, you have to.
Fatima.
Fatima, what happened, Fatima? Fatima, what happened? You're making noise. Okay, Evelyn, attend the class regularly, then only you'll be able to do. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, good girl. Now, cheerful. Hope all of you have completed this. Now, Riha, can you show me your notebook, Riha? Riha, can you show me the notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Please show me. Just closer to the camera. Yes, closer. Little in front, okay. Now I cannot see anything. Okay, Sona, have you written, Sona? You must have written in your worksheet. Anyway, children, let's go to the next one. Fatima, turn off your mic, Fatima. Hope all are keeping good health, children. And children, 1 week we will be giving some activities. Ma'am will give the explanation later, okay? Tomorrow, not now. You just check your mail and all that, okay? Whatever principal ma'am is sending, you have to tell me, okay? Not now, tomorrow ma'am will give the full description about it, how you have to do it and all that. You have to do your very best. Sanjay, don't, that small boy will fall, baby. Sanjay, be careful, ma. He may fall. Okay, take care. Okay, now who's talking to me? Let's go to the next one. Okay, take another page. Okay, let me see.
Ma'am, I finished the English classwork book.
Now you can write in any notebook, okay? You can write in any notebook. Okay?
And home study.
You can't see, wait, ma. See, 1 second if it's not there. Now can you see?
Ma'am, I finished the English class.
Raquel, many times I told you, you can write in any notebook which is there in your house. Just write a heading and start doing it. Even you can use your home study, any other book, not the test note. Test note, you have to write the assignment. Okay, now children take a new page, write English worksheet 5. Only today's work, ma'am will be taken for giving mark class work. So you have to write neatly. Next page, write English worksheet 5. Everybody must write, everyone. And children assignment, you can start writing after April 5th, you can start sending it. Now, it should be in your own handwriting. I do not want anybody to help you. If I feel that it's not your handwriting, I won't do the corrections. Okay, children, slowly, neatly, learn all the worksheet and start doing it. Actually, you don't need to take your parents' help also. You write it neatly in your notebook, then you take a photo of it, okay? And upload it. Afterwards, I'll tell, please Turn off your mic, everybody.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am, we should write in test.
Mano? Mano? What do you want, Mano?
We should write in test.
No, this is not test note. This one you have to write in your classwork. Assignment should be written in your test note. Okay, assignment. Everything you have to copy from the question paper and write. Okay. Now listen. This one, all the worksheets in your classwork note. Now write the heading. Write the heading neatly. Whether you have completed or not, you have to learn, children. Yeah. Now see here. Write the correct adverb. Excuse me. Now, somebody's turning on. Please write the correct adverb. Why I wrote ly words? You must not go and write something else.
The letters dash
Fatima, what do you want, Fatima?
and
Somebody who's there, please turn off Fatima's mic. Listen.
I mean,
Prashant, how do you mute that middle one?
month, 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 na.
Children, please don't disturb the class. Turn off your mic and speak. I mean, if you want to tell something to your parents, don't be telling her, okay, good children. Now listen. Please, Reha, sit properly. Think that you're sitting in class. Yes, Ash, have you written the heading?
Yes, ma'am.
Good boy. Turn off your mic. Okay, let's go back. You have to complete this today. Yes, month. Now next child is Ketsia. Can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Month. You add ly to it. What is the answer?
Monthly.
Monthly. That means every month, monthly. Now number 2. Please write 1 to 5 all the words. Israelina, tell me the second one.
Yes, ma'am.
Slow plus ly.
Slowly, ma'am.
Very good. You are telling me to take class slowly, ma'am. Very good. Slowly. The third one is for Jemima. Week. Week plus ly. Weekly. Sorry, I said Jemima, it's not there. Okay, Juansri, can you tell me the third one? Week.
Weekly.
Week.
Weekly.
Weekly. Just add ly. Pratika, are we?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me fourth one. Light.
Lightly.
Very good. Lightly. Ly. Don't miss any letters when you write the same words. Copy the same words from 1 to 5 from the screen. Those who are not seen the worksheet in your mail, please go through every day's classwork. Now, Rida, can you tell me fifth one, Rida? Rida. Rida, not there. Rihajas. Okay, Rida. Can you tell me fifth one, Rida?
Quickly.
Spell the word quietly.
Quietly.
Very good. Now, Rihajas. Others can write till 10. Okay, Riha, can you tell me sixth one? Sixth one. Others, please copy. Brave. You are a brave girl. You add ly to it.
Yes, ma'am.
Brave plus ly.
Ma'am. Jemima, ma'am.
Riha, bravely. B-R-A-V-E-L-Y. Bravely. No deleting any of the letters. You have to add ly to it. Now,
Ma'am.
Sandy.
Jemima, ma'am. Jemima.
Okay, Jemima, sorry, what happened?
Mic wasn't working. It said
Okay,
mic
never
was
mind.
blocked.
Now, Jemima, can you tell me seventh one?
Yes, ma'am. Soft, softly.
Very good. Softly, soft. The T should come like softly. Okay, very good. Now, Sandy, can you tell me D plus ly? D plus ly.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me,
Deeply.
spell the word.
D-E-E-P-L-Y. Deeply.
Very good. Very good, Sanvi. Sona girl, 9th one, Sona.
Okay.
Gen-
Gently.
Gently. G, spell the word, Sona.
Gently.
G-E-N.
G-E-N-T-L-Y.
T-L-Y. Gently. Okay, very good. Now, next one. Tangareknam, where are you, Tangareknam? Tangareknam, where are you? Tangareknam?
Ma'am, can you put the first one?
Now listen. See, when I call yes, Tangareknam. Akshaya, please turn off your mic. Now, Tangareknam, tell me. W-I-S-E. Add ly to it.
Why?
Wisely. Listen to man. Listen to man. Don't look at your mother. Don't worry. Wisely. See, children, if they tell something, don't get angry with them. Actually, you are supposed to sit alone, okay? Get here, turn off your mic. Wisely. W-I-S-E-L-Y. Wisely. Ansh is looking very smart today and he's showing off. Very good, Ansh. Good boy. Very nice. See how he's smiling away. He's very happy to have all the, see on his forehead, one big red photos there. He's very happy. Okay, Ansh. Now listen, children. I want Tridip to read all the answers from first to last. Then we will close. Tridip, read everything.
Okay, ma'am.
Come on. Only the answers.
Monthly.
No, only the answers. Tridip. 1 second, Tridip boy. Monthly, slowly.
Monthly,
Yeah.
slowly, lightly, weekly, quietly, bravely, softly, deeply, gently, wisely.
Very good. Now, children, after class, 5 seconds you have to read all the subjects, what you are learning every day. Okay, not now, after 11 o'clock. Today you have special class, English special class. I want everybody to join. Those who are free, you must join. Okay, those who are having the laptop, everything ready. Okay, children, now we are going to close this.